All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your tickets that you purchased from one of our agents, Vinci Uber agents that sell the VIP tickets so that you could get a VIP ride, to send a VIP request so that driver can pick you up at your location for the particular route that you are basically going to in terms of your destination, okay? So you purchase a Vinci Uber ticket, which is a VIP ticket. You want to use that ticket now so that the driver could come, pick you up, track you at your location. As you see in our previous videos, the blue pin show up on the driver um, map, right? And he can literally see you exactly where you are at a junction, in the corner, on the road, at a bus stop, wherever. All right, so let's do this now. So just click on the Vinci Uber web app. You could go to the browser if you want. I just have a shortcut set on my screen. Okay, when you click login, the system pre-select user force. So you can log in with your user credentials, put in your email address, your password. If you're a driver, you select driver, email password. If you're an agent, you select agent, email password. In this case, I'm a user. I'm just gonna put in my credentials that I have already saved. So let me do that now. Logged in. All right, so I logged in now. And the first thing you need to do, once you have your tickets, you will see your tickets showing up in my tickets section. So you're going to my tickets. All right. And you're going to look for your tickets that you have purchased. In this case, if you notice, there's two tickets here. Charleston, Shastington VIP. Number 5 tickets, as you could see. Give you the option to print it as well. And number 6 ticket. All right. So now, let's go now and try to send a request. The first thing we need to do is track the driver, see where he at, track the bus. So you have the option here to either type in Georgetown, GEO, and it automatically just pop up as you start typing. If you want, you could basically just scroll down, all right, and then you select Georgetown. All right, it's gonna show the driver that's currently online. One driver, one driver available, to so that you could send the VIP request to. So you're gonna click tap to see tracking. Once you do that, you're gonna see the driver location. Like as I tell you, this is just an example. This is not Georgetown. This is probably within my area. All right, well, it's within my area. Now you're gonna see the bus coming down from Georgetown, wherever the location at, right? Now, and you're going to see the available seats. Once you scroll up and you tap to see tracking, you will be able to see the available seats. You'll be able to see the number plates also. So you will know exactly which vehicle to look for when you look at the number plate 9800807. See the available seats. So now you're gonna send a request using those same 2 VIP tickets to this particular driver. You're gonna send it to that driver now. So you're gonna click send ride request. All right. You're gonna scroll down. Like I said, you could tap if you want and type it in search, but probably more quicker this way. All right. And now you're gonna see the available driver that is online. You're gonna click book a ride. And this new interface that we have here now, you're gonna this section on the left, right tickets is where you're gonna be able to select tickets that you already bought. Okay, so when you click select tickets, you're gonna have a menu showing up. A menu is gonna pop up and you're gonna be able to select the right tickets. These are the VIP tickets that the system automatically detect, and you're gonna be able to click those tickets and just send the request. On the right hand side is for you to use credit from within your wallet. Okay, but right tickets on the left hand side is for you to use your tickets that you purchase from our agents. If you purchase a VIP ticket, it's going to be in my tickets, and the system is going to detect these tickets when you select ticket. Okay, so when you click that, notice what comes up there, the three tickets that you have available. Okay, so you could, if take for instance now, if you and let's say you and your, you're a woman and you and your son going, or you and your children going, you could just click the three. So it could be you, which is the woman or whoever, and then it could be your let's say your daughter and your son. So the three of you. So you're gonna click one, two, three, right? And you're going to send this request to secure the seat in advance. You see the bus coming towards you, you send a request to secure the seat. Okay? This is what you can do. You see the bus coming towards you from Georgetown, it coming to town. Either coming to town or coming from town. You could secure the seats once they are available. Okay? So let's click send request. So the request has been sent for three seats because you send three tickets. Okay? The driver, he did have up how much seats available? How many seats he did have available? Can you remember? You have seven seats available. And if you notice in the video, all right, I just wanted to see on the map, there is, I wanted to see this. It's literally displaying the bus stops, as you could see now. All right. But anyhow, let me just get back to the request. So we're waiting for the driver now to accept the request. Once the driver accept the request, it's gonna show up in the notification section. Notice what it said? Right request accepted. So now the driver, he is going to see you showing up on the map as a blue pin, and he's gonna be driving coming towards you. You're gonna be able to track the driver and see the driver in real time coming towards you also. Now, before the driver did accept this ride request, you have the option was to cancel it if you want. But once you don't cancel it and the driver don't accept, you cannot go back and cancel it because you are paying in advance to secure the seat, which means the driver cannot make anybody sit down in those seats. It's already paid for already. This is what you call a VIP request. You are paying in advance to secure the seat. You could be in town. Oh boy, seven seats, six seats available. I have me and me two child here. I want to secure them seat. This is what this feature is for. All right. And you will be able to see you at your location. Now, when that request is sent out and the driver accept, you will go into use tickets and you're gonna see here three tickets has been generated. When that has been generated, these are the same three tickets, all right, that are in use currently. Okay, look at the time, 23 past 2, right? 23 past 2. The system tag the time on top of it, all right? And then notice down below, bus stop, track my location. So that means the driver is going to track your location and show up to pick up you and your two children. All right, let's go and take a look at the existing, those tickets that were active. Let's see how they're looking. Uh, let's go into my tickets. Here you see, you notice where these tickets say Georgetown to Dixon. Look at them. It says in progress. Look, It's in progress currently. It's in progress right now. And if you click here, let me see if we could get another one. Look, the other one here, it's in progress. Just 3 tickets, right? So then now, when the driver now show up at your location, what he's going to do, he's going to scan these tickets to verify them. Scan this one, you will scan this one, and he will scan this ticket as well to verify that is the right person he picking up. So the lady with the 2 children is going to enter on the bus. Okay, they're going to enter on the bus, and once they enter on the bus, this is what's going to happen. They enter on the bus, right? The driver gonna be, he gonna pick them up. He's gonna take them home at the location, whatever location they wanna come out. Because of VIP request, you could come out at any point of time you wanna come out of the bus. You could come out to Carla, you could come out to Diamond, you could come out to Argyle Airport, you could come out to Babu, North Union, wherever you wanna come out. It's a VIP request. So when you're coming back off the bus now, okay, um, what the driver gonna do to verify that's okay, who are these persons coming back after the bus? Simple. You just show your ticket, scan your ticket back here, so. And once you scan your ticket back here, you gonna know exactly who you are. You gonna know exactly who you are, and you're gonna show up on his dashboard, and he's gonna see your name. He's going to see your name. Show up on the ticket. He's going to see your name, and he's going to see also the time the ticket is being scanned, because this information also is going to be displayed on the driver dashboard. Recent scan ticket. Once he does that now, and you reach where you're going, he's going to scan the ticket just to verify it's you. And then he himself have to scan the ticket. Just watch the name. You show him the name. You just show him this way. I don't himself have to scan the ticket. Just show him this name, Jeffrey James. And then after that, he just go in on the dashboard, look for Jeffrey James, and all you have to do now is just click finish journey. When the lady and the 2 children coming off the bus, and watch what's gonna happen. I want you to see this. Notice the active tickets, right? The amount of active tickets there is 11. When I click finish journey, I want you to see something. This is what the driver is going to be doing on his dashboard. He's going to be clicking finish journey. Okay. All right. So what to say? You press finish journey for one. Okay, he's gonna click finish journey again. All right. Notice that. I want you to see this, but I take my time and show you. So now we have 1, 2, 3. Your ride is completed successful for the lady and she 2 children. It's just an example. Now, how many active tickets are there? 11. Go back in my tickets here. It's gonna show you that the VIP tickets, Charlestown/Dixon, look at right here. They are used. Used tickets now. You can't use back these tickets to get back on the bus. You have to purchase new tickets. Okay? Let me show you the other one. The Georgetown/Dixon. If you notice it here, it's used. It's a used ticket. All right. So now let's go back into used tickets now. And you're going to see these tickets are gonna be here as permanent, sure, and they are used. You can't use them back. I can't in yourself refund them. Okay, you're only supposed to have the permission to refund this ticket to the administrator, and this have to be some worst case scenario of some sort of situation. You go back to dashboard now, and as you could see, active tickets 11. All right, so now Like as I tell you, if you want to send a ride request, this is what you do. All right. You could clear your notifications right here, right now by clicking read all. And that's it. And if you want to purchase a ticket again, all you have to do is just provide the agent with your username and your email address. And once you do that, then you could get the credits, the tickets will be showing up right here in your wallet. Okay? In your wallet in my tickets, sorry. Okay? And that's how you send a request using your VIP tickets. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, anything you may want to ask, you could reach me in the comments or you could reach out to me by email or whatever contact that is provided on the Vinci Uber website or on the YouTube channel. Okay? Take care and I'll see you later.